Hi, welcome to A Scholars. This is Mr. Ting. We're going to do this paper from Taonan Primary School. This is a 2014 paper. Okay, so without further ado, let's start. Okay, so in 5468.790, the digit what is in the 10th place. So 10th place is the number 7. So the answer has to be 3. Next, how many fifths are there in 3 and 4 over 5? So usually what I do is I break this up into 2 portions. Over here there are 4 fifths and 1 whole. There are 5 fifths. So if there are 3 whole, means there are 15. So over here there are 15. So you take 15 plus 4, answer is 19. So the answer has got to be 3. Next, lowest common multiple of 3, 9 and 18. Now common multiple means that they are bigger than the number. So lowest common multiple 3, 9, 18 has to be 18 times 2, 36. Okay, so the answer is 4. 36. Next, express 0.3 as a percentage. Express 0.3 as a percentage. So 0.3 is actually 30%. Why? Because 1 whole is equivalent to 100%. So answer is 2. Next, which one of the following has the largest shaded area? To find out, what we do is we cut every one of them into triangles. So you can figure out how many triangles are there for each one of them. Okay, you just have to count. So for example, in figure number 1, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It's 12 of them. Then over here, figure number 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 shaded apart. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Right, so the answer obviously is 2. Next, which of the following is closest to 0.3? Sorry, closest to 8.3. Answer is 3. Why? Because there's a difference of 0.004. For the first one, there's a difference of 0.091. This is 0.01 and this is 0.04. So this is the smallest difference. How many right angles can you find on all the surfaces of the cube? Below, right angles is this. So we look at each side. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's 4 in one side. So there are 6 sides. So altogether there should be 24. Because we multiply by 4, here also multiply by 4. So the answer is 2. Next. Okay, so something divided by 100 equals to 82.65. we do the reverse. Okay, we take 82.65 times 100. That will give me 82. This decimal place goes by 2, 8265. So the answer is 4. Right, next. Jamie paid $3.60 for 2 identical files. After a 10% discount, what was the usual price? So $3.60 for 2 files after a 10% discount, which means that $3.60 is a 90% discount. 10% discount would be divided by 9. Here is divided by 9. So this divided by 9, 40 cents. So what is the usual price of one file? If I take 360 plus 40 cents is equals to $4. That's the original price of 2 files. So to find one file, I take $4 divided by 2 equals to $2. Okay, so the answer is 4. Next. Okay, so the table below shows the charges for posting delivery. Ming Ming wants to mail a letter that weighs 18 grams and a package that weighs 233 grams. What is the least amount that he needs to pay? A letter that weighs 18 grams. So weight not exceeding 20 grams, so it's here. So postage charge is here for the letter. Now the package weighs 233. 233 is between, it should be here, this category, right? What is the least amount he needs to pay? Right, so the least amount he needs to pay will be the summation of these two figures. So the answer is 1. Next. The ratio of the area of x to the area of y is 6:5. Area of x is 6, this is 5. Given that the shaded part is 1/5 of triangle y, so this is 4 parts, so this is 5 parts, 4 parts, and this is 1 part. It's 1 part over here. Find the ratio of the area of the unshaded part to the area of the whole figure. So here's 5 parts, here's 6 parts. Now since this is 1 part, this has to be 5 parts. So the area of the whole figure is actually 10 parts. Area of the unshaded is actually 9 parts. So the ratio is 9:10. That is 1. Next. Every month Angie saves 3/5 of her salary and spends 1,002. If she spends 1/4 of her salary instead, how much will she spend? Okay, if she saves 3/5 of her salary and spends 1,002, you spend 1/4. So 2/5 represents 1,002. 1/5 would be $600. So we take 600 times 5. Her salary is $3,000. So how much will she spend if she spends 1/4? So we take 1/4 times $3,000, $750. Answer is 2. The wreaths and 1/4 as many black as white rubber bands. So black 1 unit, white 4 units. She used 45 white rubber bands and bought another 45 black rubber bands, resulting in equal number of black and white. So this is a before and after. So before and after question, I prefer another technique. Okay, so before plus or minus after, two colors, white and black. It's 1 and this is 4. It's 4u. So used up 45, bought 45, resulting in an equal number of black and white. So here became one part, and this is one part, since there's an equal number of black and white. That's why it's one part here. So how many rubber bands did she have in the end? Minus 45 plus 45. It's one part. Here, okay, you have to think a bit. So 4u minus 45 equals to one part, and 1u plus 45 equals to one part as well. So this tells me that 4u minus 45 is equals to 1u plus 45. Now we shift this around a bit. So 4u minus 1u equals to 45 plus 45. 3u equals to 90. 1u equals to 30. So how many rubber bands did she have in the end? Since 1u is 30, so this is 1u is 30. I take 30 plus 45 equals to 75. 75 times 2 equals to 150. So this answer is 4. Next. Figure below is made of two rectangles and a square. The length of AB, which is here, is 1/5 the length of AD. The length of AB is the same as the length of CD. These two are the same. So this is 1u, 1u, and this is 3. The area of the square BCFG is 900. BCFG 900. What is the square of rectangle BDEG? What? Okay, since this is a square, we know that 30 times 30 equals to 900. So the length here has got to be 30. And this must be 10, this 30, this is 10. So what is the perimeter? I think they meant the perimeter. Right. So what is the perimeter of rectangle BDEG? DEG. Okay, so that's like 30 plus 10 times 2, 80. Then 80 plus 60, right, 40. So answer is 3. And the last one, before we check our answers, the figure below is not drawn to scale, blah blah blah. Find angle Y. Angle Y, 2, 3, 5. X, Y, Z is 2, 3, 5. It's 90 degrees. 360 minus 90 equals to 270 degrees. 270 degrees divided by 10u, just divide by 10, equals to 27 degrees. This is 1 unit. So I want to find y. It's 3u. So it's 27 times 3 equals to 6081. Answer is 1. Can't wait to check my answers. Okay, let's take a look at the answer, which is all the way back. Here we go. 4, 3, 3, 2, 2, 2. 3, 3, 2, 2, 2. So quick. Oh no, open. Three, 2, 2, 2. Okay, so 18 is a common multiple. Next one. 3, 3, 2, 2, 2. 3, 2, 4, 4, 1. Three, 2, 4, 4, 4, 1. And the last one. 1, 2, 4, 3, 1. One, 2, 4, 3, 1. So I got 19 upon 20. Okay, one mistake. Careless mistake. That's all. Thanks for watching.